You said yes to everything, every request, every favor, every task, and now you have nothing left for yourself. Saying yes to everyone else is saying no to yourself, and that is not kindness, that is self-abandonment. We say yes because we fear disappointing people. We fear conflict. We fear being seen as selfish, but that fear has a price. Every yes you give to someone else is time and energy taken from your own goals. You cannot pour from an empty cup. No is a complete sentence. You do not owe anyone an explanation. A calm, kind no is one of the most powerful things you can say. Saying no protects your energy, your time, your focus, and your peace. These are not luxuries. They are your most valuable resources. You can say no with kindness. I cannot right now, or that does not work for me. No guilt, no long explanation, no apology needed. Every time you say no to what drains you, you are saying yes to yourself. That is not selfish. That is self-respect. When you stop saying yes to everything, you finally have space to say yes to what actually matters. That is where real productivity lives. Saying no is saying yes to yourself. Practice it, protect it, and subscribe. More like this every single week.